Hello and welcome to the mp3 Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to explain the benefits of mp3 Academy's audio learning system on the go. In today's fast-paced world, finding the time for self-improvement can feel like a challenge. However, with the rise of tools like mp3 Academy and its audio learning system on the go, it has never been easier to optimize your free time for personal growth. By using those moments when you're doing housework, commuting, or even cooking, you can turn your spare time into opportunities for continuous learning through listening. This system allows you to learn wherever you are, helping you stay productive and build the knowledge needed for success. For our complete list of mp3 Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3 Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3 Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. One of the key advantages of mp3 Academy is the ability to incorporate learning into your daily routine. Instead of sitting down for hours with a book or computer, you can absorb new ideas while on the move. Whether you're traveling to work, running errands, or tidying up your home, listening to the mp3 Academy audio learning system allows you to make the most of your time and stay engaged with your self-improvement goals. It's a simple but powerful way to turn everyday tasks into moments of growth. Listening is the first way we begin learning in life. From the moment we are born, we learn by listening to the voices around us. This natural mode of learning is what makes the mp3 Academy audio learning system so effective. By listening to valuable lessons, you tap into a fundamental way of absorbing information. It's a method that's easy to integrate into your day, and with the repetition of key ideas, it helps reinforce important concepts. As you listen repeatedly, you begin to create useful thinking patterns that shape how you approach challenges and opportunities. Repetition is crucial for building lasting habits and mental health through learning. Listening to the same lessons multiple times helps strengthen neural pathways, ensuring that the ideas take root in your mind. Over time, these concepts become second nature, allowing you to make better decisions and develop the healthy habits necessary for personal success. This process of repeated listening is key to maintaining well-being and pushing yourself toward long-term goals. Learning should never stop, no matter your age. One of the most important things about continuous learning is that it keeps the mind active and sharp. mp3 Academy provides a flexible and accessible way for individuals of all ages to engage with new ideas and information. Whether you're a teenager, an adult, or a senior, the habit of continuous learning through listening helps keep your brain engaged and can even improve cognitive function. It's a form of mental exercise that supports both personal and professional growth. Engaging with a continuous learning process also has benefits beyond mental stimulation. By consistently exposing yourself to new knowledge, you can improve your time management and decision-making abilities. The small, actionable steps provided by mp3 Academy ensure that you're not just passively consuming information, but applying what you learn in real-life situations. This approach helps you stay organized, manage your time effectively, and make better decisions in both your personal and professional life. Maintaining well-being and personal growth is not just about big, dramatic changes. It's about the small actionable steps you take every day. mp3 Academy emphasizes the importance of these small steps, making it easier for you to progress steadily toward your goals. By learning on the go and applying the lessons you hear, you create a sustainable path for self-improvement. Over time, these small steps accumulate into significant progress, helping you reach your potential without feeling overwhelmed. Self-improvement is an ongoing journey, and mp3 Academy provides the tools to help you stay on track. By using your spare time to listen to the audio learning system, you not only enhance your knowledge, but also improve your mental health and time management. The ability to make better decisions, plan effectively, and manage your time wisely are just a few of the benefits that come from integrating learning into your everyday life. Incorporating mp3 Academy audio lessons into your daily routine is an easy and practical way to stay engaged in a continuous learning process. Whether you're at home, on a walk, or commuting, the flexibility of audio learning makes it possible to fit education into your life, no matter how busy you are. It's about turning those spare moments into opportunities for growth, and MP3 Academy makes that possible. As you continue on your journey of self-improvement and personal growth, remember that every step counts. Using the mp3 Academy platform ensures that you're not only making the most of your free time, but also enhancing your overall quality of life. Learning through listening, taking actionable steps, and maintaining a lifelong commitment to growth will not only support your well-being, but also help you achieve the success you're looking for.